This thoughtfully reworked Federation home was designed for a family of 5 seeking comfort, flexibility and a relaxed lived-in feel. The house is arranged around 3 distinct zones, responding to the owner's desire for spaces with different degrees of retreat. The historic front section is dedicated to the children, with 3 bedrooms and a shared lounge for gathering and recreation. Natural stone flooring leads into the new addition, where a timber-lined ceiling guides you through to an open kitchen and dining area, paired with an intimate sunken lounge. Broad sliding doors open into a generous alfresco area, complete with barbecue, sunken fire pit, and a sculpted lagoon-style pool, offering a series of inviting spaces for family life or effortless entertaining. Painted brick, stone and timber flow seamlessly between indoors and out, creating a strong connection with the landscape. Timber-lined stairs lead to the parents' retreat, perched like a sanctuary among the treetops. A walk-through robe connects the bedroom to a serene ensuite, featuring a sculpted shower alcove, freestanding bathtub and a porthole window framing lush foliage. The TIDA judges felt this renovation perfectly supports the ebb and flow of family life. Refined but never precious, the home balances honest materials, clever planning and layered zones of retreat, allowing every family member to feel completely at ease. Congratulations to Yannick Dalecki of Dalecki, winner of the 2025 TIDA Australia Designer Renovation of the Year.